You're out of here, you dirty buzzard! Go sponge off somebody else, you freeloader! If I ever see you again, I don't know what I'll do!
That does it. I gotta find me a new dope I can con. Aha! Perfect. When the sucker who owns this heap starts it up, I'll claim bodily injury and sue him for all he's worth. When you're good, you're me.
That can't be good.
Ow! What are you trying to do to me, Woodpecker? Oh, you fractured my subtubula. Oh, and my entire upper thorax is numb.
What were you doing under my hood?
I was adjusting your manifold intake. There are problems with it on this model. And this is how I get repaid for my good deed. Oh, the agony. Oh, the pain. I smell a lawsuit. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Lawsuit?
And I'll take you for everything you've got.
Now calm down. I'm sorry. You can come to my house and get cleaned up. I'll make it up to you.
Thanks, sucker. I mean, pal.
Mr. Buzzard, sir, you've been in there for 2 days. I'd like to get in my bathroom sometime.
Have this towel clean.
Eesh.
I put on the only thing I could find while my pants dry.
My suit! Now you listen here, bub. I've taken care of you, and you look just fine to me now. It's time to hit the bricks.
Oh, Woodpecker, I'm barely over my bodily trauma, and now you're causing me all this emotional turmoil. Which is only gonna cost you more in the lawsuit.
No, forget I said anything.
All right, then. It's settled. I'm gonna have to stay a while longer.
Okay, but there's new rules. Stay out of my clothes, and whatever you eat, you replace.
Sure. You're the boss.
I've got a golf game. Oh.
Looks good enough to eat, especially to a stupid woodpecker. Ah. Aha. Man, that's pretty.
Oh, boy. There's nothing like steak and cake. Hey! Looks moist and chewy. That does it! Hey, get out here! We need to talk.
I'm on the phone here. And I gotta finish my pedicure.
I'm not standing out here all night.
Coulda fooled me.
This isn't your house, you know.
But it's my bathroom.
Get out of there now. I have needs.
I gotta go, Olaf. Call me back later. Collect.
Who's so important in Denmark you have to talk to them all night long?
No one special. I just love the sound of the Danish language.
My bathroom! Completely destroyed!
Yeah, you better get that toilet fixed. I'm having a party tonight.
Ow!
You can't make me leave. I got my rights. If you hit me, you'll go to jail for cruelty to animals.
What?
Forget the lawsuit. We're talking life in prison. I'm an endangered species, you know.
Jail?
You're no good, no paying deadbeat!
Hiya, buddy.
That's how I deal with deadbeat tenants like you!
Then have I got a tenant for you?
Now to get back to my bath.
Oh, allow me. I'll just take you back to your tub and run you some fresh, hot water. Here, give your Danish friend a call.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Möchten gern lieben, Vincent. Come in.
Well, Buzz, I'm off to play on the Pro Tour. I've sold the house. And the new landlady says she knows you. You remember Ms. Meanie, don't ya?
No, not her. Please. No. No.
Oh, boy, what a great shot. Whoa, boy, do I need a shave. Wait a sec. I don't have a beard. Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice!
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. You have found your earliest known relative, the cave woodpecker. This is the archaeological find of the millennium.
I'll be rich and famous! Woohoo! But how am I gonna get you to the museum? Better get a pecking! Oh no! If that guy escapes, there goes my fame and fortune! I'm not gonna hurt you! I'm trying to help you!
Lumber, lumber.
Food? Fine. Just stop clobbering the wallpaper, you Neander freak.
Tickets, please.
Oh no! I don't have a ticket for you! You gotta hide! One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone, by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just stow it up here. Good night, steward. That does it, Buster. Hey, good idea. Let's get you into some duds so you'll blend in. Not bad. Now it's my turn. Now let's go eat.
Go eat! Go eat! Go eat!
This guy better make me really rich.
Tickets, please.
Oops. Shh. Let's get out of here.
Shh. Let's get out of here.
Mr. Woodpecker, what a surprise! I thought you were traveling alone.
This is my uncle. Oh, yeah, hey, I'm from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, how utterly charmed. Charmed. I've been all over the world, and I've never had my hand licked before. May I? May I? Everyone simply must meet your uncle. Toodles for now, Mr. Woodpecker.
Now look what you...
May I? Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Time to go, Unc. We won! Look! We won!
Sweet!
Now, we're going to dinner. You behave. Everything's a game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. Everything's a game.
Oh, yes! I couldn't agree more. And doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet!
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air, Woodpecker. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur, you.
You social saboteur, you!
Are you two nuts?
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this is fun! Hey, break it up! You're gonna get us kicked off this train!
You! I knew you were trouble!
Let's amscray! No! You're coming with me!
He wants to stay. He's the life of the party.
And stay off this train!
May I see your ticket, Woodpecker?
He's with me, steward. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once so we can do it all over again.
My wild woodpecker! Gone! Oh, I'd like to take this club and... Wait a minute.
Your Cave Woodpecker Club will make a fine addition to our museum, Mr. Woodpecker.
Is that all it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these, you'd be absolutely set for life.
It's another great skiing exhibition, folks. The great Swedish skiing superstar is just about to break the world's record.
Oh, goody, goody. I love skiing, yeah. Nothing in the world gives me so much joy. What do you think you are doing?
Wondering who would watch an old-fashioned sport like skiing.
Hey, was watching it.
Oh, so you're old-fashioned.
Get your hands off of me. You better watch it, Woodpecker. Skiing is the sport of my fatherland.
More like the sport of your grandfatherland. Snowboarding's where it's at.
Yeah, well, skiing's the greatest sport.
Snowboarding.
Skiing.
I still say snowboarding's the best.
Can't decide on the best method to get down a frozen mountain? Then you should sign up for the Inertiathon, the all-out freestyle race to the bottom of Mount Incline Plain. It's the downhill experience of a lifetime. What's in it for you? Well, the first to reach the bottom wins $50, a year's supply of cornmeal, and a firm handshake.
This will settle it once and for all, you bet. I challenge you to the race.
You're on.
Well, here we are with two lively contestants who hope to settle the debate of which is better.
Skiing!
Snowboarding!
Although there's some folk who stick to the old standby, tobogganing.
Hiya, buddy.
Tobogganing.
Well, I guess this little difference of opinion will be settled on the slopes. Racers, to your marks.
Hey, Wally, your boot's untied.
Hold my poles, Woodpecker.
Get set.
Woodpecker, my poles.
Here you go.
Go!
Cheese.
Hiya, buddy.
What are you looking at, loser?
Yemeni. I need some ski wax.
If he wants to stick to skiing, I'll make him stick but good. This glue will do the trick.
Skiing I will go, skiing I will go. I will beat the woodpecker and make him eat my snow.
Hiya, buddy.
Whoa! With moves like that, you should try snowboarding, Wally.
I'm a skier. I show them a thing or two. Well, at least I landed safely.
Sure showed that, two-planker. Man, did I make a wrong turn.
Hiya, buddy.
Thanks, pal. Let's see Wally get through that.
Oh, Ogly Mowgli. Moguls are my specialty.
Woodpecker!
See you later, Wally.
Yeah, hello? This is Wally. Remember that favor you said you owed me? Well, I want the woodpecker taken care of. You know what I mean? Consider it done. Ah, Swedish meatballs. Time to meet your maker, Woodpecker. Get it? Meet your maker. I crack myself up sometimes.
Oh my gosh, Swedish hitman. Oh yeah?
Bye-bye.
Hey, how come they're laughing?
Hiya, buddy.
Oh, goody. There's the finish line.
Another great toboggan victory! How does tobogganing compare with skiing and snowboarding?
I told you! The world's greatest sport is tobogganing! Nothing higher! Nothing closer to perfection! How many times do I have to tell you? Can't you people get it through your heads? Tobogganing rules! Oh, it's my purpose in life.
Boy, oh boy, do I love Christmas. I told Pop I wanted a new set of golf clubs. I told Winnie I wanted a big screen TV. I told Not Hit and Splinter I wanted... Not Hit and Splinter! I forgot to get them anything. Coming through! Made it with time to spare. Say, free gift wrapping? Well, jingle my bells.
Oh, switching people's Christmas presents for rocks is the best scam I ever come up with, Tweaky.
But it's Christmas, boss. I'm sick of working so hard. The rocks are heavy. I got paper cuts.
We got us another customer, and it looks like a two-rock job.
Free gift wrapping, huh?
Yeah, like the saying goes, when you giveth, we taketh. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, please, Santy. I want some ointment for all my cuts. I want my own assistant so I can bully someone around a lot.
Fa la 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 voila.
Say, what's with the rocks, paper, scissors switcheroo?
It's like this. Rock beats Woodpecker.
My gifts!
Oh, no! It's the abominating snowman!
Shut up and step on it. Tweaky, I'm going out for a ceremonial Christmas pizza. You count up all our loot.
Oh, but you can't go out, boss. We gotta get to bed so Santa Claus can come.
How many times I gotta tell you? We just stole people's Christmas gifts. So, Santa ain't gonna visit us this Christmas or any other.
If Tweaky wants Santa, then Santa he shall get.
I hope Santy doesn't mind this stocking smelling a lot.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Oh, Santy! Santy, it's really you! Oh, with a cherry nose and a white beard and a bowl full of jelly!
Just what the heck do you think you're... I mean, ho, ho, ho! What the heck are you still doing up, little Tweaky?
I was just going to bed, Santy, but first...
No buts! Santa's got a lot of work to do.
For Christmas, I want a U.S. Mint soap for laundering money, a scholarship to the School of Hard Knocks, a gift certificate to...
Not if I'm not hitting Splinter's presents.
I want a file for breaking out the next time I'm in the pokey. I want an all-access skeleton key. I want a good solvent so none of my charges hit. I want a prison suit with vertical stripes because there's those limits. I want a buzzbuster. I want a laser-guided satellite. I want to have the power of flight. And I want to get out of jail free card. And I want a bumper sticker that says I break and enter. And I want a remote control getaway card. Oh, and gobs of lard.
Now I know why Santa only comes once a year.
I want a really fast getaway car and mean...
No.
Sandy, where's your sleigh with the 8 tiny reindeer?
Well, Oh, my goodness, you're right. I must have been... Sleigh Jack.
Oh, I told the boss his neighborhood wasn't so good.
Oh, Tweaky, whatever will Santa do?
I could steal a new sleigh. I'd even pull it for you.
But you're so small. Why, I bet you couldn't even move, say, this tiny sleigh.
Sure I could.
Tweaky, what are you doing?
I'm helping Santa Claus.
That ain't Santa Claus!
Yeah, says who?
This guy's trying to take our loot.
No, boss. He's really Santa Claus. And you said he wasn't gonna come.
Tweaky, goodness. If you stole all this stuff, we have to return it if Santa's going to give you anything at all for Christmas.
Don't listen to him, Tweaky. I'll give you anything you want for Christmas.
I want gifts from Santa Claus.
Yikes! Tweaky, stop!
No!
On Buzzard, on Convert, on Fleabag.
Tweaky, get back here! That's not Santa! When I get my hands on you, I'll make eggnog out of you!
Stolen gifts back to all their rightful owners. Merry Christmas, Knothead and Splinter!
What a cold Christmas this turned out to be, especially in the Arctic regions. One thing's for sure, Santa's got it made in the shade this year. The jolly old elf's toy delivery route will take him around the world, including stops in warm spots like the Bahamas, Saint-Tropez, and Bora Bora. Guess we'd all like to ride along with him this Christmas. Santa makes the list, but as head elf of this here workshop, it is my Christmas duty to check it twice. Naughty, naughty, nice. Why, looky here. Little Robbie gets a paddle ball. Eye-hand coordination never was my strong suit. The great thing about this toy is that it feels so good when you stop. I better get back to work if and I want to be Santa's exclusive ride-along helper this year. Now there, little fella. Santa's got a rule against peeking at presents before Christmas. Yup, I'm sorry, but you gotta make like you're under the mistletoe and kiss off. Huh? Ouch! I'm telling you for the last time, this here sack is not for peekers. I'm gonna send this penguin all the way to springtime. Yow! The holiday season is not the best time to take up running.
Oh, Smedley! Smedley! Smedley, where are you? Now, Smedley, there's no time to lay about on the job. There's work to be done. You need to finish up the gift list while I get ready for my midnight ride.
Aye, Mr. C. Right away, sir. I gotta work extra diligent like now so's I can get to ride along with Santa Claus. Doggy, check. Aw, ain't he cuter than a bug's ear? Ducky, check. Kinda reminds me of Aunt Mabel's Thanksgiving dinner. Not nearly enough stuffing.
Penguin? Looks like I got me a misfit toy. This is what we elves call an occupational hazard. You are hankering to be numero uno on Santa's naughty list, aren't you? This here is one finely crafted airplane. Yes, sir. With my attention to detail, Santa's sure to pick me as this year's ride-along elf helper. Usually it's the tree that gets trimmed, not the elf. Ding, ding, ding. I'll ground that penguin for sure. Whoa! I say, whoa! Uh-oh. In your face, penguin. My abashed apologies, sir.
Smedley, what have I told you about playing with the toys? They're for the good boys and girls. Now, please, get back to work.
If that little penguin thinks he's got the best of this elf, he's barking up the wrong chimney. So, he wants to get in this bag, does he? Well, the only sure way to stop a penguin is chemistry. If I whip me up here some super sticky glue, I'll trap him like a fly in molasses. Tree sap, icky goo, pus and stuff. Chewing gum. Nitroglycerin. Ooh.
Smedley, I want to thank you for all your hard work this Christmas, but you look so tired. Take the rest of the night off. Ho, 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 ho.
But I...
Ho, 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 ho.
Huh? Wait, Santa, wait! Make sure you give that chili nothing but coal for Christmas. Whoa! You hear me? Nothing but cold, hard coal.
Ho,